Welcome to the Creating a Basic Page video tutorial. After logging into the staff site, hover over Add Content in the top Drupal menu and click Basic Page. The Create Basic Page screen will now appear. The first field is Title and is required. Enter a title for your new page. The title will form the URL of the new page based on the parent items for that page. Next is the body section. This is where the bulk of the content for the new page will be created. The first thing that you will notice is this Edit Summary. When you click on it, it opens up into another window where you can add additional text. If needed, the summary can be a way to tease your content, in particular on a long page. In Drupal, the body section is a WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get, text editor. This editor allows you to edit and create content with easy formatting. Let's review the WYSIWYG buttons and what they do. The first section contains 4 buttons. Bold, which will bold selected text. Italic, which will italicize selected text. Strike through will put a line through your selected text. And remove formatting will remove formatting from text when copying content from another location. This is recommended when pasting text from another text editor, such as Microsoft Word. The next section contains actions that you may be familiar with in programs such as Microsoft Word. The first 3 buttons will align your text left, center, or right. Next, you can create a bulleted list of items, a numbered list, decrease or increase your indent, or create a block quote. The Undo button will undo your most recent action. The next group of buttons will allow you to create hyperlinks. The first button is Link to Content. Use this to link to content previously uploaded into Drupal. The next link button will allow you to create a hyperlink to any page, create an email to link, or link to an anchor. The last link button is to undo a hyperlink. For more information on creating hyperlinks in Drupal, please refer to the Creating Hyperlinks video tutorial and training documentation sections on the Drupal manual staff site. Finally, the Anchor button will create an anchor on your page. Again, for more information on creating anchors, please refer to the Creating Anchor video tutorial and documentation sections on the Drupal training manual staff site. For those of you with HTML experience, the Source button will show you the HTML code of the page for editing. The next grouping of buttons has a variety of options. First is Insert Horizontal Line, which will insert a horizontal line into the text editor. Insert Special Character allows you to select a special character to insert into the text editor. Table is used to create a table on your page. For more information on creating tables in Drupal, please refer to the Creating Tables video tutorial and training documentation sections on the Drupal training manual staff site page. Templates. This button allows you to select one of the following templates. There are various 2-column options, 3 equal columns, and 5 equal columns. Show blocks. This shows the boxes of content that can be displayed on your page and can be used in conjunction with templates to help format your page. Styles. Styles will display all available styles, including headers, that can be applied to your text. Find and replace will find and replace text in the text editor, much like you would use in any other program. And a spell checker can be enabled to run all the time, or it can be run at any time. Finally, the Media Browser button will allow you to add images and files into Drupal and on your page. For more information on uploading files, please refer to Uploading Files video tutorial and training documentation sections on the Drupal Training Manual staff site page. Located in the lower right-hand corner of the text editor, in an arrow that will expand the WYSIWYG editor by dragging the resize arrow. Next, let's review the items located below the text editor. When selecting a text format, you have the following options: Advanced, which is the default setting, and plain text. This option should not be changed. Underneath that drop-down menu is a description of what each choice contains. As you change your option, the notes underneath will change as well. For Department Select, select a department for your page to reside. Next, if the page is a Technology, User Services, or Human Resources training page, make the appropriate selection. The default is not a training page. Categories. Use tagging to categorize your page. When you start typing, previous tags will appear and can be selected. This option currently is only available for training pages, but may change in future settings of Drupal. Menu settings. This is the first tab here located on the lower left-hand corner. When checking this box, the following settings will appear. Menu link title. When this link appears in the menu, this will be the text that users can click on to get to that page. Description. If a user mouses over this link, after a moment the description will type here will show. Parent item. Choose the parent item for this page. This needs to be selected to properly nest your page in a proper location in the library's Drupal staff site. After departments and libraries, please select the proper department area to place your page. Menu link weight. From here you can adjust the weight to change in which order this link will appear. URL path settings. Uncheck Generate Automate URL Alias if you would like to use a URL alias for this content. Revision information. If you have multiple authors, or if you would just like to keep detailed notes in the revision information section, you can enter a description about the changes you are making to the page. Authoring information. In this section, you can set custom details about both who created the page and when it was published. By default, it will add your user ID and timestamp when you save the page. Publishing options. If you don't have this option selected, your page will not be active and will not show up on the website. The default is to have your page published. If you would like to make further changes before it's published, go ahead and uncheck that option. And finally, click Save once you've filled in all the desired information. The Drupal page will now be live.